Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kaiden, my little assistant here, is gonna do my makeup. This was his idea. So I still have some makeup left on that I actually applied today. I'm gonna go wash that off and then he's gonna do my makeup.
Stay tuned for my masterpiece.
You think that we should do my eyebrows first or do my eyeshadow first?
Your eyebrows. How are you doing the eyebrows? How? How do I do it? I need the thing on. Why isn't the sparkle on?
Well, it's not sparkly.
Is it good? Yeah, I did it.
Alright, you just brush it through.
How? Right here.
Okay, that's my eyelid.
Is it good?
I don't know, do you think it's good?
Yeah, I see the gel.
Do you want to put some gimme brow on there?
I did it. They match.
Alright, good. I use concealer on my eyelid first. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Alright.
How do you do it? Right here?
No, that's my eyebrow. Why are you laughing at me?
It's a little funny. Hey, can I do the eyeshadow now? How do you do the eyeshadow?
So we're using the sparkly purple in the James Charles palette.
How do I do it? How do I do it?
On my eyelid.
Right here?
No, that's a little bit high for purple, I think. Are you making me look pretty or are you dressing me up for Halloween?
Look, no. I'm dressing you up for Halloween. It's okay to do for Halloween. Okay, now I'm gonna do this.
I think that's enough eyeshadow on the brush.
On your... It's all good.
It's all good.
I wish I can do more, but I can't.
Well, you can.
Thanks. I want to do it on your...
Eyeshadow on my cheek?
Yeah.
Okay, that's really rough with the brush. And a third color on the same brush. Okay. And on the same eye. Look at that.
Hey, what? I love your costume for Halloween. I make up you as a makeup monster.
It's original. Do you want me to put my own primer on my face, like lotion, or do you want to do it?
I want to do it. How do you do it? I'll do it.
We're using the NARS Radiance Primer.
Part first. I'm doing it. Open up, light and shine, sleepyhead. Are we all done doing makeup?
No, you still have to do my foundation.
We'll do this.
Okay.
I did it. How do you look?
I'm gonna just blend that out a little bit more.
Can I just do more makeup for you? What makeup are you gonna use now?
And now we're gonna contour.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Can I do it right? I want to do a different color.
Okay. Does it look pretty?
Yeah.
Should we do some highlight?
Yeah, what is highlight?
It's a little bit low.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need lipstick, huh?
Yeah, I'll do the lipstick on you.
Okay.
Look. See. The lipstick. Look.
That's very pretty.
Yeah, you look like the monster now.
Good. Good.
Oh, now we're gonna do more makeup.
You gotta hold it up a little higher. He's spraying his own hand. Alright, okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so we're doing mascara now.
I know. I don't want to do it.
Okay, I'm gonna put the glue on the lash.
When we're done doing all the makeup, then I'll think you're the beautiful makeup monster. Mom, I'm gonna love your makeup.
I think that's a little bit high.
I can't do this. I do horrible for me.
Alright, it's upside down here.
I'm scared.
Oh, well. Okay, is that one where you want it?
Yeah. I did it.
It's upside down, Kaiden. It's upside down. Okay.
And here the finished look. Are we gonna do more? Or that all of it?
That's all of it.
Yay!
Alright, so this is Kaiden's look. It's supposed to be a makeup monster though, right? Correct?
Yeah. Subscribe to my channel.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, so we're doing it. We're doing it.